guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word люди, or people. Let's do the second syllable. Jaw forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Di. Di. Not D, but di. If yours sounds more like the English D, you can fix it by doing three things. Number one, put your tongue further forward, allowing the sides to come away from your upper molars in the back. 2, put more air through on the de than you would in English. And 3, de-emphasize the E. Here we go. Jo tang lips. Di. Di. Now the first syllable. Here, let's borrow from Welsh. I believe there's this really cool double L sound they have. It's like an L with a really high tongue position, but they breathe through it with no vocal cord vibration as if it were an H. This is a great way to get to the soft L in the beginning of our word. Another way to think of it is that it's an L with a slight Y sound built in. L. 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 If you combine this with a real Russian U sound with jaw forward and duck lips, you have the first syllable. Jo tang lips. Lu. 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 Another way to get the soft L in this syllable is to tack an E vowel on the front to practice. Jo tang lips. I, lu. I, lu. 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 Now the whole word. Jo tang lips. I люди. I люди. I люди. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!